right, well, here we are again. It's another day working on the cabin. I spent the entire morning picking up parts and pieces in Menards, so these guys got started without me. It is like 40 and sunny. It's supposed to go up to 47 today. That's a big change from the, minus whatever temperatures we had in the last couple weeks. So George and Ray are getting a roof on this thing. I'm super excited about that. Mike and I are gonna go inside. We gotta get a plumbing vent out the roof. Dave already got the electric service, poked out the soffit, and we're gonna put in the chimney box for the wood stove so that when we leave, everything is flashed through the roof. If we come back without those guys, that won't be a problem. Won't be cutting holes in the roof. Don't get flashed. We have this for a reason, or we just thought it was a neat piece of cardboard? Is all this garbage, Dave? Yeah. We'll get a garbage can in here in a little bit. Slow down. Just cleared everything out of the way here so I can measure it out on the floor. $141, it'd be 70 and a half. I want to do this wall. We're gonna frame the loft wall the rest of the way up, all the way down. So we put this in the middle. I want to put like log siding on here and do some kind of, like that fake stone we did in the other cabin, like a fireplace with a mantle, and put the stove right here and shoot through the roof. So the stove has to be 11 inches from combustibles. This is probably gonna be, let's just say it needs to be 13 inches. It's got to be, the stove has to be 11 inches from combustibles. It's got a plate on the back, and that pipe's about 2 inches in. So that'd be, let's go 15 off the wall to the outside of that box. Right. We're going to be here, 70 from the plate and 15 out. We could just put one side in, cut the hole, shove it through, and when it's installed, just put the other one on the other side. I don't even need the other one. Hey, George, I think you stopped one row too high. You're gonna have to take out like one shingle. I think so. I'll let you know. It'll be the one with the big sawzall cut through it. I need a hammer first, but we should probably get a torpedo level.
Inside hammering, George.
This was cutting it off and folding them over on the roof. Get your gun. Leave one in there and one in there, that's all that there's framing for. Is it up and down good? That. Yeah.
Did he bring one of those? I think throw my shit on it. Alan said you didn't need everything. Okay.
Oh my goodness. We got those guys what they need on the roof so they could finish up, and Mike's been working away on these rafters. Give him a hand, see if we can get like the last 8 set. We're pretty close to metal. I mean, you could do 3s from the, you could go up through the beam into them Schwada ones. There was a bucket of 4s, wasn't there?
4s and
God, these are heavy for 2x4s. Oh, the snow melted off them. I don't know, I think they're just soaking it up rather than drying. It looks like it's back the way it needed to be. Is that tall enough or no? That's pretty close to it for today, I think. We're finishing up the roof up here. Mike and I ran out of lumber over there on the pole barn. I don't know what you want to call it. Dave's still putzing around with the electric there, but I think we're gonna call it here and maybe head up to the cantina, watch a movie on the big screen, and maybe enjoy a few adult beverages. George?
Sounds great to me. Goodbye from Kentucky.
Goodbye from Kentucky.
Hello from Kentucky. What am I supposed to say?
yeah, we're here at the Tin Cantina doing Tin Cantina things.
Drinking at the Tin Cantina.
There you go. All right, set her down. Watch your power lines. Oh, big equipment's awesome. Easy peasy.